Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some Robins, and he's playing Batman. Fatty's gonna rob.
Hey Natural Beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. To all my new subscribers, hi, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching this video. So if you're anything like me, then you're usually late, no matter how early you wake up in the morning. Because I wake up pretty early, but I'm still usually late. I don't know how, don't even ask me. I did want to make a video of a makeup look that you can do when you have like 5 minutes. I'm only wearing foundation, I'm not wearing any eyeshadow. I'm only wearing foundation, powder, something on my lips. I filled in my brows a bit and I added some lashes and eyeliner. And that's pretty much it. Keep on watching if you want to see also how I did my double space buns. They're both perfect for a first day at school or just a regular day at school, if you will. Just tips that you can use to get your makeup done real quick so you can get out the door, especially if you're late, alright? If you guys enjoy, don't forget to let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss any more of my videos and you get to see whenever I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook, and all those links will be in the description bar for you. Thank you guys so much for your love and support and all the sweet things that you say in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.
I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it on.
Okay, so I'm starting off with clean hair. It's semi-stretched, it's kind of still shrunken, but I'm just going to make a middle part going all the way back in the center of my head, and I'm just carrying that all the way back so that I can get, you know, even sides for my ponytail. So when you're done, you should have something looking like this. Just a nice clean part. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you can make it as perfect as you want. To lay my edges, I'm taking my Eco Styler gel in crystal, and I'm using that just to slick down the edges a little bit. You can apply the gel all around the hair, but I just chose to apply it to the front half simply because I didn't really think it was necessary. But I'm just smoothing that in with a smoothing brush just to get everything nice and laid. Then I'm just going to take a scrunchie and I'm just going to secure the hair up into a high ponytail, kind of swept to the side a little bit. You want it to be as secure as it possibly can be, but not make it too tight. But make it tight enough because you're going to be tugging on the hair and it may come a little loose. So make it as tight as you can. I'm going to be using my kinky hair extensions for this look today, and I'm just using probably 1 pack. This is the Nor Afro Twist. So what you're going to do is just take a section of hair and I'm just going to braid the extensions onto my own hair. I'm just going to braid it down the length of my hair, and when I get to where my hair would end, I'm just going to twist it all the way down to the end of the braid. And that's basically all I'm going to do. So I'm just going to twist that all the way down so that you have like a kinky braid thing going on. So one more time, take a section of hair and you're just going to braid the extensions on at first. And then when you pass the length of your own hair, you're just going to twist it going all the way down. I'm just going to repeat that as many times as I need to until all of the hair is twisted up, and then I'm going to show you guys what I do next.
She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is an art. Let me show you how it goes. Love's the word, spins the verb.
So once I've twisted up all of the hair, I'm just going to begin to just wrap the hair around itself, just like you would if you're doing a top knot bun versus a donut bun. More like a top knot, not like a donut. Just wrap it around as snug as you can. You're just going to get kind of like a top knot. It's just going to be like a twisted top knot bun kind of look. and that's just what I do, and you just repeat that on the other side. Once you have repeated that on the other side, then it should be looking something like this, just nice and neat and twisted, double buns. And yeah, that's basically all I do for my hair. You can go ahead and lay your edges with some edge control if you wish, but this is totally fine. So now I'm just gonna move on to my makeup.
Alright guys, so we're going to begin the makeup first by moisturizing our skin, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Sublime Glow for Face Moisturizer. I don't believe this is discontinued, I'm not sure, but I'm going to leave a link for it in the description bar because I did see it still being sold online, so I'm going to leave a link in the description bar for you. So I really love this. It's a tinted moisturizer, you don't need a lot, and it does have SPF 15 sunscreen in it. And what I'm actually going to do is just mix my foundation with the moisturizer. I didn't use a lot, I only use a little bit. I'm just going to mix my foundation with the moisturizer, and the foundation I'm using today is the Jordana 2-in-1 concealer and foundation complete cover. This one right here. That's the foundation I'm using today, and I'm of course just going to mix that around and apply that with my beauty blender. When you're late, you really want to just do short steps, nothing that's going to take forever. So I mixed my moisturizer with my foundation, and I'm just going to blend that into my skin. My beauty blender is damp, and I did just squeeze out the excess water out of it. Alright, never forget your neck. Always blend your foundation down to your neck, no matter how late you be. Always remember to blend your foundation down. Alright, now as I said, for this routine we're keeping it very simple because we're late for school, so we don't have time to do like a whole lot of things. So what I'm going to do next is just set my entire face, and I'm using the Milani Compact Mineral Powder in 110, which is deep. And I'm just going to dust that all over my face just to set my foundation. And you can always walk with your powder in your bag, you know, just to touch up throughout the day, because you will sweat, especially if you're living in a hot climate like myself. You are going to be sweating. Alright, so just dusting that on with a fluffy brush. Alright, no surprise, we are not going to highlight and contour really, but if you are planning to take selfies for the day, I'm just going to go into this one palette for the whole look. You do want to fill in your brows a little bit, so you do want to focus on the things that are actually going to make a difference in the look, and your eyebrows are definitely one of them. So I'm not going to conceal them or anything, I'm just going to fill them in where they need to be filled in. And I'm taking the dark brown from this Profusion BARE palette. I love this palette. If you get a nice neutral palette with, you know, neutral colors, golds, browns and stuff like that, then you won't need to grab any other palette for your look when you are late. So I'm just going to take the dark brown from this palette. Any dark brown will do, and I'm going to use the eyeshadow as a brow powder, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. And of course blend that out as you need to. Alright, I won't be using any eyeshadow, surprise. But I will be using eyeliner, so I'm just going to take my black eyeliner from Cosmectics. You can use any eyeliner. The LA Colors eyeliner in black is really, really good as well, and you can get that in a drugstore. So I'm just going to line my eyes, top and bottom. If you are going to be taking selfies, you do want to contour just a little bit, since you're not going to be doing a whole highlighting and contouring routine. just dust a little bit of darker powder in the hollow parts of your cheeks, or even right on top of your cheeks to kind of mimic a blush. It will make a difference in the pictures. You know, we're not going for a whole highlight and contour, but you know, just add a little thing to the cheek area. And I'm using Earth Glow by Milani Cosmetics. You can get this in the drugstore as well. We're still trying to keep within those 5 minutes. All these things are very, very simple. Alright, so mascara, of course. The eyes are not ever complete without mascara. And I will be adding lashes just because that takes like less than a minute. But you guys don't have to. You can go ahead and rock your lashes rock your lashes as is. Yeah, I'm just going to put some mascara on, and how much mascara you put on is totally up to you. You can put on a lot to amplify, or you can just put some on. If you have like really long lashes, you can one coat, you know, will be fine. Alright, now we have 2 more things left to do, which is add bronzer. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow. You can use the gold from this palette right here. You know what, let me use the gold from this palette just to show you guys that you can really use one palette to do a whole look. I'm going to take my blending brush, I'm going to dip it in the gold shadow and just place it right where I want my highlight on my cheeks to be. Just slightly blend that out. Also on the bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow. Yeah. Hope you guys can see this highlight because it's raining. Yeah. Alright, you can add some to your brow bone, but it's so not necessary. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to put something on my lips. And you can go for a bare color since it's, you know, probably the first day of school, or you know, whenever you guys choose to try this out. But I'm just going to go, you know, I feel a little exciting today, so I'm just going to go for this matte red liquid lipstick. And I love using liquid lipsticks because they really go on very, very quickly. So the one is from Makeup Monsters Cosmetics, and I will leave their link in the description bar below for you guys to go and check out the lipsticks that they have. And this color is my favorite one. It's called Bite Me. Now you guys can keep the look like this, but I do really want my lashes because my eyes feel so naked, especially without eyeshadow. So I'm just going to apply my lashes off camera, of course, or you know what, whatever. Let me just apply them right quick.
Catching feelings is let me show you how it goes. Love's the word, spins the verb. Love is the girl, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up.